Hello everyone, Porcelain here on Manufactured, and welcome to another episode of Tossed and Found, the weekly show all about thrift and putting in the time to find some really great finds for some hopefully great prices. Today we have a really small haul. It is a jewelry haul, so everything here, the bags with the blue stickers cost $1 and the green sticker cost me 50 cents. So altogether everything here cost me $4.50 for all this jewelry. Some of it I plan to wear, some of it I plan to repurpose in either like making my own jewelry for conventions and things, or I'll regift it if it's really nice. Regift or rehome or whatnot. So let's just get right into it. This does obviously all come from the same garage sale. I think we're going to start with the tiny little 50-cent bag, which is just this ring. This small sort of turquoisey ring, obviously fake and darker. I shouldn't be showing you on this hand where I have like eczema, but there we go. There we go, on my pointer finger. It's just a little better to look at. I have a really horrible left hand, and yet I stand on the left hand side of my camera. There we go. Right hand ring. It is a little bit big for me. Most rings are, because I have really, really small hands. It's part of the reason being a magician was such a challenge to me. But this ring's really cute, and I'll either resize it. Oh wait, it does squish. Cool. It's one of those ones that does adjust. That's good. So it'll adjust for my fingers. I think it's pretty, and it'll go in my jewelry box at least for now. So that is the first one. I like to have jewelry that has like a little bit of color on it because my wardrobe's all black, so having a little bit of color in like my jewelry or my hair is kind of nice. Nice to have accents like that. Next we'll get into this one, which I think these bags have a few different pieces in them, which is why I bought them. So first we have this bracelet. Whoop. I'm not sure what you would call these beads, but they're really interesting and definitely will be repurposed in some way. Either like I'll add a charm to this bracelet that is handmade, or I will take the beads off and use them for something else. That's what a lot of these are for. We have another one. This one's kind of dangly. It reminds me of like kind of like a steampunky style. It's missing one of the beads though, so I'd either have to replace that, or I will most likely just completely reuse this. The beads, I will like take it apart and use the beads. Next we have one of these tiny little beaded bracelets. This will definitely be taken apart. Then we have oh, this one's pretty. Okay, so this one's like reds and golds. Obviously these have been handmade by the person before. This is a little bit too big for me, but I actually really like the style that it's in, so I will try and find it a new home. Then last thing for the first bag, but certainly not least, we have this bracelet, which is just super shiny and glittery. Actually, the camera doesn't like to pick it up properly because it's so shiny and glittery. Will you focus? Focus on my horrible looking arm, please, camera. Oh, come on. I know you don't want to pick it up because it's refracting too much light. There we go. Okay, I got it close enough. It is just super, super shiny. I actually really like this. It's just like extremely sparkly under the lights, so I really like it. I might keep it, or I might use it for something. I'm not sure, but I really like it. It's very, it's kind of extra, and I like that. So that's everything from, let's lay them out separately if we can. That's everything from the first bag, or the first blue bag, I guess. Next we'll do purples. Really like purples. So in this bag, the first thing we have is this bracelet, which I think looks pretty cool as is, but would look really cool if you added a couple charms to it. A couple like custom charms, because I make clay charms for like fandoms and stuff. So if you added a bunch to this, it would actually look really cute, which is what I will probably do with it. Then we have, oh my goodness, what is this? Is this oh, it's two bracelets. I thought it might be a necklace. So So we have this one, which is just a bunch of different purple beads. I'll probably just take this apart for the beads. Then we have this one, which reminds me of the red one, except in purples. If it was a bit smaller, I might actually wear it, but it is too big. I'm not sure if I'll take this one apart or not. We will find out. Only time will tell. And then finally, we have this, another shiny one. They're the heavy ones, the shiny ones. This one's pinks and silver. Let's see. Silver with pink beads. I really like this. One of the main colors that I wear when I wear a little bit of color is pink, because I'm kind of a girly person. So I think I will definitely keep this pink one. Maybe I'll just keep this pink one. I won't be keeping the other one. I'll rehome it. But I really like the pink one. Next we have this bag, which is all the blues. So first we have, oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, this is one of those like wire wraparound bracelets. It's in blues and pinks and black and white. I think it's very cute. I don't know that it suits my aesthetic. I will either rehome it or turn it into something else, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. Then we have just some simple fake pearls. I like pearls. I don't think a lot of people wear them anymore, so probably wear that. This is way too big for me. I will definitely just be taking this one apart because I do not like the look of this one. So I will just take it apart for the beads. Then, oh, this is cool. Okay. We have this blue bracelet, which is just not my style, but these beads are so cool, so I'm going to take it apart for these ones. If you look at those beads up close, oh, it's so hard to tell. Like, half of them is painted metallic and half of them is blue. I don't know that you can really see it that well. Maybe if the other one, there you go, you can kind of see it's like painted half metallic, half blue. It looks really cool in person, so I'll definitely take this apart and use these beads, because there are some really cool ones there. And there are two more. There's this one, which is like pearls and little blue rocks. I'll probably just add charms to this one, because I think it's simple enough to do that. And then we have one more. It's very heavy. It is blue and black. Just very simple. I could probably wear this, but I also might just use it to add charms to. Makes my life easier. And then the final bag is the one I'm most excited about. Because it has these like fake cameo jewelry. The first one is a sort of like clip or pin. It has a rose, a bunch of little pearls. I love this kind of antique-y aesthetic. So I really like that. And this is just gonna go with like my jewelry and stuff. Even though they're gold and mostly I wear silvers, I really like it and I'm gonna add it. And then just one bracelet in here, but it's really pretty because it has all these little rose cameos. Let's focus. And again, it's a lot of gold, but you know, sometimes you can wear gold jewelry. Unfortunately, it's a little bit big for me, but if I removed one of these, it would fit me like perfectly. So I might just do that. Yeah, I think it's quite pretty. Obviously, none of this is like expensive jewelry. I don't really care if my clothes are expensive. Quality does matter to me, but price and like brand and stuff doesn't. Because I do thrift almost all of my clothes, aside from, you know, like undergarments and socks. But yeah, I do thrift a lot of my clothes, so I don't mind with jewelry either. Woo. As long as I like it, that's what matters. And I think thrifting accessories and clothing is just a really great way to build a large wardrobe, and then also do it in a way that is, you know, more eco-friendly and better for all, honestly better for the planet, better for your wallet. So it's a good thing to do. So let me know what you thought of this haul in the comments down below. Do you think I got a good deal on this jewelry? What was your favorite piece? If you were going to wear one of these, which one would it be? Aside from that, if you like this video and you haven't already, maybe consider checking out another one. If you also like that one, then maybe consider subscribing and ringing that bell. Aside from that, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Good luck in your future thrifting adventures, and keep playing by your own rules, guys. Bye!